Need reliable emergency pump-out plans for a tiny house septic system in a remote location now. For a remote tiny house, start by compiling a contact list of nearby waste haulers and septic pump contractors, and prioritize those with tanker capabilities that match your tank volume. Call each provider to confirm they will travel off-hour and ask about four-wheel drive access or specific vehicle size restrictions so you can map routes that accommodate a tanker truck, note gate codes, low branches, and turnaround space. Keep a kit of spare hoses and adapter fittings that cover common thread sizes and quick coupling types, and store them in a weatherproof box near the access point so you can connect immediately if the contractor arrives with non-standard equipment. Prepaying credits or purchasing a service credit plan with a hauler often moves you up the list during high demand periods, so negotiate terms and get written confirmation of response time windows and extra charge rates for after hours. If your system uses a pump tank with an alarm, test the alarm monthly and practice a manual bypass routine so you can safely reduce flows until service arrives. Document the steps and post them near the tank. Finally, schedule an annual inspection and desludging to keep solids from building up, and consider a simple riser and accessible cleanout to make emergency access faster for technicians. Common mistakes are waiting until the tank is over full, which forces emergency rush fees and longer waits. Avoid this by tracking use, setting calendar reminders for inspections, and keeping prepayments in place. Another issue is assuming any truck can reach your site, which leads to wasted time and canceled jobs. Solve this by mapping a truck route, taking photos of obstacles, and sending them to the hauler in advance so they can bring the right vehicle. A third problem is lacking the right connectors or tools when a technician needs an adapter. Keep a small kit of universal adapters and a spare length of heavy-duty hose so you can bridge mismatches and speed up the pump out. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and build a tailored emergency pump-out contact list with our directory and community discussions. We use the forum to share real access tips, contractor responsiveness notes, and to help contractors find steady work in remote areas.